Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix laptop won't connect to Wi-Fi Windows 10. So guys, if you are using Windows 10 PC or laptop and you have some issue to connect with Wi-Fi, so you can use this method and you can try. I'm not 100% sure if method will work for all user, but for some user this method will work. So let's start. Click on start. Type device manager. Open device manager. Now expand network adapters. Now right click on your Wi-Fi network adapters. Then click on update driver. Click on search automatically for drivers. You will see Windows has best driver for this device. Close it and restart your PC. If this method is not work, so again right click on it, update driver. Now browse from your computer. Click on let me pick and select any latest driver. And also you can use third-party driver for Wi-Fi. So find out proper driver for Wi-Fi from authentic website and install and update the driver to your Wi-Fi. So hopefully guys you like this video. By these simple steps you can know how to fix laptop won't connect to Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching.